This is a machine tending robot cell. We have been manufacturing for many years, working with robots for over 15 years now. So we understand what is needed and what tasks are added when industrial robots are installed. The MES robot cell will reduce the number of steps required in the factory as much as possible and make production safer. There's very little for the operator to do except to put materials in. It automatically picks and checks the work, cleans it after processing, and measures it. This is not a demo machine. It is already in use on site. To set up this robot cell, all you have to do is transport it with a forklift, set it up in front of the CNC, and teach the robot. I would like to show you the features of this robot cell now. This can reliably detect outline with LEDs. You can also program the robot to pick again. If the camera is not able to recognize the work, you can tear it apart. It keeps the area around the machine. Just clean it to get accurate measurements. You can display some data from the PLC, and it will automatically make corrections. Also, start, stop, and manual operation of individual devices can be done here. You can also see the measurement results, and since it is Windows-based, it will be useful for the future development. So most of the data can be viewed here.